number 1. Okay, now we are trying to make some exercise before we go further. We take from the test 1, this one. Right. Clear. Yeah. Okay, this is the question. Okay, have you done this one? Test 1. Product WCP is to be marketed. However, it will require an initial investment of 2.4 million and 2.4 million now to complete the final product design and production setup. The operation cost for the first year is 60,000. Okay, now how to draw the cash flow diagram. It require an initial investment 2.4 million. Okay, we start with the cash flow diagram. I think patutnya you will answer, but for the cash flow, okay, I will start first. Okay, how to draw the ni? How to draw the cash flow diagram? Okay, then what is the meaning of ni? 2.4 million. It start from 0, right? Agree? Do you agree? It start from 0?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now it start from 0. So the value is 2.4 million. MOMIL ke tak kisahlah. 2.4 million. Okay, this one is settled. The operation cost for the first year is 60,000 and is expected to increase at the rate of 5,000 per year. So that means from first year, the value is, let's say, 60,000 and is expected to increase at the rate of 5,000 per year. That means, okay, 5,000 per year. Okay. At year 6, yang ni G, alamak terbesar lah pula. This one is G, 5,000. At year 6, tiba-tiba, at year 6, an upgrade that will cost 20,000 must be done. Okay, let's say year 9, 6. Okay, at year 6, an upgrade that will cost 20,000. That means ini. Okay, we have 20,000 must be done. Okay. After upgrading, the operation cost will be 70,000 at year 6. Okay. Ni tadi operation cost is 60,000 and is expected to increase at the rate of 5,000 per year. We don't know when to stop. At year 6, an upgrade that will cost 20,000 must be done. Ada upgrade that will cost. When to stop this one? The operation cost for the first ni. Okay, good. At year 6. We have to stop at year 6. Okay, then at year 7, at year 7, the operation cost will be 70 pula. Okay, just now it's 60. But then at year 6, it is 70,000. Okay, 70,000. And will increase by 5,000. Same like 5,000 per year after year 7. So that means, inilah kita tak kira. Okay, so this one, the G is 5,000. Okay, year after year 7. Okay, the expected income from the project is 500,000 per year starting from year 1 to the end of the project life. There is no salvage value at the end of the 10 years. Product is expected to be replaced with another new product at the end of year 10. Okay, that means the end of life, meaning that it is until year 7. Year 10. Okay. Even though it mentioned that to the end of the project life, and it is the possibility to use apa tu yang infinity tu kan. But here is the another sentence that there is no product is expected to be replaced with another new product at the end of year 10. So that means the end of the life is year 10. Okay, now we have the cash flow diagram. Ini tak buat lagi 500 ni. Yang ni there is no salvage. Ni tak ada ni belum. 500 ni belum. Okay, there is 500,000 per year starting from year 1 to the end of the project life. Okay, ini A is 500K. Okay, lengkap tak? Complete tak? Okay, complete tak? Okay, complete Okay, now how to solve the problem analyze the problem and identify the present value. Okay, here the question mentioned the present value. That means you have to find out P. Okay, that the growth rate is 10% per year. Show your cash flow diagram. Okay, should the company proceed with the project? Give one suggestion. Okay, give one suggestion how company can improve the economic viability of this project. Okay, how to start? We start with P. Okay, this one I want someone to read. And when I call your name, please read what I should write here. Okay, Aaron, what should I do here? Aaron, start with Aaron. Are you in this class? Tak best ni. Abdurrahman Ali. Abdurrahman Ali.
Doctors, negative 2.4 million.
Okay, negative 2.4 million. Okay, next. Adriana Ardini. What should I write here?
500.
500. Oh, you take this one eh? You take the positive dulu eh? So that means ini positif lah.
Yes.
Kalau boleh start with yang bawah dulu lah. Sebab dah start negatif tadi.
Negative 60K.
Okay, 60K.
P over A.
Okay, P over E.
Ini berapa persen?
10%.
10%. Sekejap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Salah.
Eh.
Start with sini 1 lah. Dia dah sini 1. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's 5.
6.
6 eh. 6. Okay, then Aaron. What's the Aaron? Next what? Aaron. Tengok tu. Alvin. I ask you to apa ni, to siapkan benda ni kan?
Hello,
Ya, Alvin. Alvin ke Aaron tu?
Alvin.
Alvin, okay. And then after ni 60. Okay, I help you. G sini pula. 5K. Then Aaron. Sorry, Alvin. P over. Have you done this question, Alvin? Okay, agree. Okay, next. Amirul. Okay, ni done eh. Done. Okay, now go to next ni picture diagram. Ada satu lagi ni. Amirul. Sudah jadi macam ni.
70K.
Okay, ambil ni. Boleh tak yang ni dulu? This one.
Okay.
Okay.
20K.
20K. You want to find P? What is given here? It is F. You want to find P. The given is F. Okay, then 10%.
Then
Okay, what is the year?
6.
Is F
6.
6. Okay, next. Argia Rafi Saputro. 70K. Argia. Daryl.
P over A,
Over A.
10%.
10%.
4.
Right, good. 4. Then
And
this one now become F. So 3 over
F,
F. Then 10%.
and then it's
Sorry. What is the year here? Now it becomes here kan? Okay. So what is the year?
6.
Okay, good. 6. Okay, next. Dah. Okay, okay, Arab, Brahma, Adriana, Erwin, Amirul, dah. E. Konchun. Okay, next.
minus 5K
Okay, 5K.
P over G,
P over G,
10%,
10%.
4 year,
A4,
then P over F,
P over F,
10%,
right?
6 year.
Okay, sama. 6. Okay, the last one. The equal to Faiz Yaakob. Faiz Yaakob. The last one.
Plus
Okay, plus
500K
500K,
P over A
P over A,
10%,
10%.
10.
Okay, okay. Then you find out what is the value here by using the table. So what is the answer? Ada yang dah buat tak ini? What is the answer? I did not finish dia punya answer. Sekejap, I can show you. I'm recording but dia punya screen dia dah berubah pula tu Okay, what is the answer? 387.545. Okay, it is positive or negative here? Positive, it is positive. So that means the arrow is upside. Okay, so what is your decision here? To accept or to reject? To accept, to accept the project because it indicates positive kan, that the project will give is the project. So positive tu the project will give is sama profits. Positive value for, okay. So suggest. The question asks you to suggest. So how to suggest? How to suggest? You have output. Can you do something about the output? If you have, so you just put what you can do to the output. Okay, input. Yes, many things that you can do. The input. What is it? By, did you see? Maybe we got, okay, operation cost. We can reduce the operation cost. We can reduce the maintenance cost and cost. Some suggestion that you can give. Okay. Okay, settle. Okay, now we go to the next question. It is quite challenging. For question 2. Question 2. Okay. Okay, a traveling library ataupun a mobile library project requires an operation cost of 80,000 per year starting 1 year from now. The project requires 500,000 every 5 years for repair and upgrading. An income of 60,000 per year is expected from the sales of books, magazines, 2 years from the start of the project. Analyze this project and establish the funds needed to support it forever. Okay, the keyword here is forever. It involves with infinity. Okay, growth rate is 10% per year. So show your cash flow diagram before you can establish. Before you analyze and do comment lah. Comment about the ni, about what you find here. Okay, how to draw the cash to draw the cash flow diagram. Okay, start with, is there any value for 0? No kan, because it mentioned there is no value kan. Okay, operation cost of 80,000 per year. So 80,000 per year start with sini 80,000. Okay, A is 80,000 until what year? Ada tak? 1 year from now? Tak ada. Okay, just proceed. Okay, they want the forever to have the value until the forever punya lah. Okay. The project requires 500,000 every year for repair and upgrading. So how do you want to draw the the diagram here? Start with 5, then you have 1. Okay, panjangkan sebenarnya. Oh, okay, boleh. Oh. Okay, 500. Okay, and then every 5 years every 5 years, sorry. Every 5 years you have 500k. And you have to make to do the repair and upgrading. Okay, semualah. Every 5 years you have to invest 500k. Okay, and income 60,000 per year is expected from the sales of book magazine 2 years from the start. Okay, so this one start from 2. You have an income. Until what year? Tak tahu Until what year? Okay, tak ada. Itu samalah. Berterusan continuous. Okay, A is 60,000. Okay, ada lagi tak? Ada cukup. Okay, now how to start? Okay, positive P ke atas. Upward. Okay, how to start? Okay, I call okay, Daryl dah tadi Aaron dah jawab ke belum? Aaron? Sudah Aaron tak ada Tak ada Aaron Okay, Faiz dah Fatinatul Aisyah.
Ya, Doktor.
Okay, how to start?
Negative 80k.
Okay, you take yang negative 80k. Okay, then
P over A.
okay, P over A. Okay, I is
10%.
percent. Okay. Then
And
what
infinity.
is the year?
Yeah. Infinity.
Alright, good. The year is infinity, and then dah bilang kan? Tak ada sebab di first year. Dia dekat first. Okay. Okay, next. Hafiz. Hafiz.
Yes, doktor.
Okay, continue.
Minus 500K.
500K. Ini every year ni 500K.
500K.
Hmm? Okay. Okay, if you do not sure, if you're not sure, maybe you can leave it this, so answer yang lain, answer the others. Answer the others. This one second. Okay, we have this and also this one. Here the problem is you have each 5 years, not each years. Kalau each year senang, this is A. But now it is every 5 years. So maybe you can leave this ni. Okay, I will explain this one. Okay, ambil yang atas tu. Plus
60K.
60K.
P over A.
P over A.
10%.
10%. Yeah.
Infinity.
Infinity. Okay, then ada tak lagi? Ini become apa? Become F. Okay, now P over F. 10%. And what? You have moved this A ni to the year 1 because it becomes F kan? So become F, ingat it is at year
1.
1. Okay, now yang ini Okay, for this part, let me explain. Okay, the issue is now they have every 5 years. Okay, every 5 years. It means you have okay, from 0 ni ada 5 years, then dan seterusnya 5 years you have 500K. This one also you have 500K. Okay, let's say we take the first part here. Okay, the first part. So that means it becomes like this one lah. It become F. F. The 500K become F, right? So you want to make it equivalent with yang ni, A ni. Okay, 0. So from 1 until 5 ni, you want to make it as A. So what is the A ni lah? So what happen is, you want to make it A, so A equal to, okay, this one A equal to F, A over F, 10%, and it is 5 years in. It is 5 years. Okay, so now you have convert this one into A. Okay. And it is repetitive. It is repetitive. After this one, it also have one more and one more, and until forever lah. Until forever. So what happened actually? This one, so become this one 5. Sorry, 1, 0, and then if you continue this one, so that means yang ni lah. Sama lagi. Maknanya benda ni sentiasa berulang. So that means A equal to tadi 500,000 kan? 400K kan? So A over F 10% 5. Okay. And dia berulang. It is repetitive. You can assume this one berulang. Okay. Now, when you accumulate, bukan accumulate apa? you show it overall, so that means like this one lah, you have the overall ni, the overall ni, 500k, 500k ni. Okay, now you know that it is until infinity. Okay, now you want to convert to P. So how to convert? You know that P is equal to A per I. From the formula A equal to PI, right? This is for infinity punya case. Just remember this one, A equal to PI. So that means if you want to find out P, so P is equal to A per I. So now the P is equal to A, this one, 500k A over F 10% 5 per I. I is 0.1. 10% ni. So ini boleh faham tak? Can you understand this part? Faham tak? Boleh tak? From this one, ni we just take a part, a part sebahagian dia. So this one, A 0 and then F lah. Become F. So convert to A lah. So A equal to 500k AF 10% 5. And it is repetitive. It is repetitive. So 500k sebab ni A. A ni kan sama je kan. So A is 500k A over F 10% 5. Okay, now if we are talking about the infinity, so P is equal to A per I. So what is A? This one is not A. And this one is F kan. So A is this one. So you just put yang dah convert tadi 400k AF 10 per I. Now transfer to this part. Okay, 500k A per F 10% 5 per I. Letak sini lah per I. Ni per I. Okay, now you can solve the okay, ini okay, ini apa? Ni native 80k ni. It is native 80k. Okay, PA. Okay, P is A per I kan? P is A, ini kan A. A. So, yang ini ialah 1 per I. Okay, A per I. Okay, ni. P equal to A. What? This one is 1 per I. Okay. Okay, now, yang ini pula, ni dah dapat lah. Ini dah okay. 400k. Okay, ni ada from the formula. Per I is 0.1. Ini pun sama lah. 0.1. Okay. And then the last part is plus 60k. Sama 60k. Then what? 1 per I. 1 per I. Okay, this one. Carilah dia punya nilai. Okay, ni nilai dia ialah 0.9091. Ini nilai berapa? Okay, tak apalah. Just find out this one. A over F 5. Boleh cari tak semua? 10%. A over F 5. Close. So dia punya value
0.1638 tu?
6.
38.
Then just kira lah kan. Just calculate je all the ni. Tengok minus betul. Minus. Okay, betul. So you will get the answer. Okay, the answer. Sekejap Oh, tak boleh lah. The answer is wrong here because salah. Dia punya soalan lain. But I get here the question is not the same. Kejap. Here number 1, question 1, sorry. This one is question 1. Question 2, some still the same. No, not the same. Okay, how to accept or how to reject? If you find the answer is positive, that means you can accept. But if it is negative, you have to reject. Okay lah. Okay, boleh For the first start, maybe it is quite difficult to understand this one, but we have to practice because this one pun memang biasa juga. Yeah, and also about the infinity and offline. Be careful because if they said the salvage, maksudnya ialah nilai akhir the salvage is what year ada year to mention dia katakan the year is 20, that means you have to you have to assume all the yang forever tu ada ayat-ayat sentence forever tu, that means until 20. But now there is no sentence about the year, the salvage value punya ni at the end of the inilah. Okay, so that means now it mentioned it is about forever, so we have to assume forever for all the calculation. Not this one lah. It is different to yang first tadi kan. Yang first ni tak baik sebab also have the ayat ni. Ni. Sorry. Hingga. Ni. End of life ni. End of project life. Ada lagi rasanya. You also have. Dia ada mana ayat ni. End of life. Ataupun does not mention anything about the until what year. So that means you have to find out until what. Dia punya year. Ni. The year is end of 10 years. Yes. Okay. So that is the difference between question number 1 and question number 2. Okay. Then we have final exam. Okay. Who can answer for the final exam? Actually, the final exam is unequal punya case. So actually, you have to ni dulu, KV dulu. That one is unequal. After this, then only you can do. Okay. Okay. Now we go. The last part is yang J-con. J-con. Simple je. Okay. Still the same. The tricky is until the end of its life. Ni. Until the end of its life. But the year, the life is mentioned here. It is 8. Year 8. Year 6. Soalan year 6 bukan year 8 Salah ni ke soalan ke? Okay. I give you 8 ke 6 masa semalam?
6 tak ada 6.
6 6 8 kan?
The salvage value for Q is 10,000.
Oh lain Oh lama salah ni soalan lah punya. Okay tak apa. I look at dia punya ni question ni. Oh, tak boleh buka lah because I'm recording the ni. Nanti semua WhatsApp masuk. Okay, who want to try this one? Maybe you have done and then you can show to your friends. Macam mana cara nak tunjuk Okay. Okay, I give you this link. Okay, you go to this. Okay, go to the Jamboard here. Not your Jamboard, this is your friend's Jamboard, but okay lah. Okay, we can use. Okay, and then you can show us the answer for question, this question Jcon ni. Tak, macam mana nak ambil your picture. You just take the image, just macam ambil photo shoot tu je. And then you send to your WhatsApp. From the WhatsApp, you copy image and put in the Jamboard. WhatsApp tu your WhatsApp lah. You have your WhatsApp, your own WhatsApp kan. Just your name kan. Nombor nota benda kan. And then put here. Boleh? Macam mana nak keluar? Take from your answer lah. Okay, panjang mana soalan asal dia. Stop sharing je. Oh, nak tak share apa-apa ni. Okay dah? Ada yang letak dah jawapan? Anyone? Oh, ada. Ini soalan. Not this soalan lah. Not this question. Put at page 4 or 5 semua Jangan ambil yang depan tu. Yang tu sebenarnya aktiviti lain. Orang lain. Oh, okay, I know why. You know that we have to set up two set of question kan, all the lecturers. So that's why you have the different version This one maybe for set B, and then yang I give you is set A. That's why you have several version of questions. Yeah. Okay, 10,000. So this one is 8 years. Yang lain sama tak sama lah. 400, 45, okay. Baik. Okay, who want to try? Tak ada siapa yang letak ke jawapan? Dah, macam ni. Okay, ada yang letak jawapan tak? Mak, dia langgar ni semua benda tu. Okay, want to try? Simple je sebenarnya. This question is very simple. Not very simple, it is simple lah. Jacon needs to choose one production system. Two production systems have been identified, P and Q. Data on these two systems are given. Analyze the problem using P or F or A. So what do you prefer? Want to use P or F or A? System P. Okay, initial cost. Okay, initial cost is 450K. Operation cost. It is start with what? Start with year 1, 8,000. So 8K. Until what? Spread. Oh, okay. Okay, ada exponential. Exponential E is 3%. Until the end of its life. Okay, its life is 8. Okay. And then 170,000 per year until the end of it. Okay, ini revenue. Start from 1 kan? Start from 1 until the end of it. Okay, sama lah. Sama 8 So this one is A 170. Okay, now you have the cash flow going for system P. Ada lagi, salvage value. Salvage value is 15,000. Okay, so 15,000. Now start lah. Start P plus equal to, ada yang dah hantar ke? Tak ada juga. Okay, 15,000 P is equal to A ataupun 170. Okay, this one is A. So P over A. Okay, what percent lah? 20%. So 20%. And then dia punya 8, dia punya okay, dia punya ni ialah 8. Okay, then we have 15K P over F 20%. 8. Okay, now go to this minus 450K. Berapa dah? And then minus lagi. Okay, this one is about E. So what is the formula for E? This one for E. This one is E So negative dah ada lah. Negative Okay, now D. No, ni there is no in the table. You have to calculate. 1 plus E over 1 plus I power of N. Of N minus 1. E over, E minus I. Ini dia punya formula lah. So you just convert, put E ni, berapa E? E is 3%, 0.03. I is 0.1. Ini sama. Okay, D is what? What is D? Okay, dia punya gambar macam ni This picture and the formula like this one. This is D. There is no A. This is D. Okay, so D is, here is 8K. So it's 8K. So boleh tak settle? Boleh kan? Boleh okay, so you get something lah here. Okay, for the second gambar, system Q. Sama, initial cost.
Sorry, doctor. For this formula, 1 plus E to the power square or cube?
1 plus E over 1 plus power of N.
Oh, okay.
Power N. Okay, minus 1. Maybe blur quite blur Okay, you can see my ni kan. Ni my writing here Because here I do not show you. Dan tak rakam pun. Tak boleh. Okay, so okay kan? Ini Okay, now system Q. System Q 320K. 15,000 sama. Okay, 15,000. Okay, year 1 until year 3. Until year 3. Okay, but this one ada tak operation cost at year 4 until year 1? Oh, okay, just like this one lah. And then operation cost at year 4. Okay, ni 4 pula dah different. Until the end of life is 20,000 per year. Okay, the life is 8 eh. So ini 18. Ada eh? Okay, very good. This one, okay, good. Ni siapa punya ni? Who's answer this one?
Saya, Doktor.
Saya tu siapa?
Khairi, Doktor.
Hari Ikhwan eh? Okay, good. System Q, okay betul tak? Okay, you can check the 3 tu. This one says G mana? Oh, atas. Okay, because you take the apa ni, the bigger one and minus the smallest one kan. Okay. Then 50k PA tak apa. Okay, but this one you have to convert to year 3. Okay, betul. And then 10k. Okay, this one is salvage. Okay. Generally betul semua. So you just calculate. So the answer is 172 and 210. Okay, good. So what is the punya ni pilihan? You have to choose which one. You want to choose which one? You will choose the bigger. Ataupun kalau okay macam nak pilih Okay, this is the scale. Okay, this is 0. Okay, your number is 172. Okay, so ni 172 587 and the others is 210272. So that means the bigger one is good, is better. So you have to choose this one. Okay, let's say you have the other pilihan, the other choice here and here. One is 100,000 and negative lah. The value is negative, and one more the cost is 500,000. So which one you want to choose? $100,000 and $500,000. Which one you want to choose?
100,000.
Okay, you have to choose the less punya loss ataupun cost. So you will choose the bigger one, the punya upper one. Okay, let's say 500,000 and 172. 172 and 500,000. Bigger, 500 bigger kan number dia kan. This one 172. Which one? Still the same. You have to choose the positive. The pixel maknanya yang atas tu. Okay, so this is how you choose the project. Okay, I think that's all because we have run out of time ni. Okay, attendance. Okay, please put the question in your apa tu? This is engineering. Okay, I put the punya